God, chaos! Well, when you... Whoa, what's hanging? Hold on. I'll never get this. Let me get it. Ripping motion, blossom, buttercup, bonbon, get down here right now. Professor, can you explain 60 years Mr. Monster, sir? Professor, yes, giant. Hey, Miss Lenny, help us! No, perhaps.
It's a bad word. Being real.
We have a lot of words today. Yay! Professor. Yeah, I know what my particular word is. I have a special deal. I don't know it, and that's not a word that means trouble with. We have unfinished business, girls. Gotta get in. Magic!
Pick on someone your own size. Look at them go! Catboard's really nailing that spin. Let's take the stuff back to the